Influence akaba come here. O mona no hana bie na ne ona wi we di o mona re egbuela dia. O mona re egbuela dia o moni na wi. Nuzi yo no waya si yo moni na wi. Ne sharo bie na opa me. Cause he don't have wonya. O moni na wi. Ona wi mona re egbuela dia. E government came o ari egbuela dia no ase ke gole mana ari e bai. No me nwina. No gile family uri egbuela dia na say father wonya mo. Eika. Yeah, easy. Yeah, I feel what? Yeah, I feel what in a way me roto toy. Yeah, I feel what? Zekeri Bella Diana, I came your money. A government came more. Influence. No, you give this girl Bella before it pass. So I want my connect. This life where we did so many people share this video. This life where we did so social media life where we did so you cannot do anything hide. Influence akaba come here. Me na help me share this video. Me influence they see na. Influence akaba come here. Now my people, ike avio elaja kere na mi bia ya wewe. Lele fenoro ro ya wewe. Influence akaba since where this guy take by now. Which video you don't do say na you get picking? Ne sharo yak ba na obisi pe de no pe dise. The video where you influence akaba where wonyeko. Then wa ba riega na ne government momo na video. Influence akaba come here. Ne sharo yagu the video where you go no where because obi o mamu ko gbera anywhere la dia na wo mweko ne influence akaba ka ina ta awa eho o mweko ne influence akaba come here o come see what you do even again na mo so say na ugi emi ne kon o ma be ri egbe la dia na wo nya mo influence akaba come here le fe no ru eru o so ansan now o solo boy do fake ya la gbagbe one by one. Waiting they pay me for inside down be say since when this girl take go that place now where she take travel now where she take leave us now. Influence never come out now me do one video say na lao Nigeria jeva we boy you wait mo money le now say get la dia gbalo na ari ebe bai aso agwe yen be me ni e wa aso agwe e musician no e star no agbalo na ari ebe bai agwe era na hin we uwe nenia urigbele ege no henu ya ari no ya yo bomu no ikebe urigbele Influence akaba come here no be you give Sharon pa me bele ewe why we waro wizi easy no mabagbon o ya feel what ina we me emi rotate me na no be you give this girl bele sayomonu ayawo be sayomonu no be you give this girl bele we pa so instead of you now may you quick come out now may you run come out now say I beg see the way things be obed now me near ya mu omo make they not go carry your pikin Influence webo aje na or money amune or phone instead of you now may you come out now say father say now you get pikin may you come out so say the girl don't go. You sit down for that, you they hide. You can't hide it for God. Influence akaba. Video where the movie do, I go play for na. Because Sharon mama, I be the blamer. Ya we be mara honi. Ek be mara eberio. Mama 50 cents. Now they call her ek be mara eberio. Influence you will give Sharon belle now you they hide they go. Again I can't work and be Sharon. Okay, I can be mina Influence akaba. Me na share this video. Me Influence come here. Now Influence give this girl belle. Yes. Amami why? Everybody now we go paro wa mama no happy. Aso agbe mara ye berio. Then you come they hide it they go. Wale o he go ba. Influence akaba come here. Now you give this girl belle. Instead of you now me you come out now me you rush come out now. Me everybody support you now. Nuri bewe yo to ne ma fe be bai uhe nu ne o ale kia ekia we ni ya gbalu oru when o again na ma se nu ya hu enia orin eduwe when again I must say egenu ya worry umala dia no zedi ari ebe yoto ne ma be ri ebe bai ni ai momoni din wale social media life every day so you can't hide it for God anything you dey do or we can not best of udo we get na nia re nia if na do or vene if let's akaba me aya go ile alelugbe ke mi to if let's akaba why you no come now as far as say mona ne or hospital ne or yin die because or yin die mona yi davis or die na government ladian ne ya amu as far as say wo nya mona ne we mudiaba wo asun ori egbele o makeke no ladian na we obime no ne edo mu na ije pa ne o moni ga be wi the government amu no for ne me na invite Ifrance Akaba come here so video before I enter a Demofi video, Osalo ba ode by Demofi. Ije ge na e sharo pa mi. No ri awa. Ifrance Akaba o me kone. Ya to ge la dianu we video quick nu sa yo monu. Ije ge na no ri awa. Ije Sharon, Mama Sharon, she no dey okay like that. The other Sharon brother oninia egbema iwerani eweki ai opano ebeke ije Sharon to boy egbemara en that is why ometi agba o we eberio adi ije Sharon to boy ona we miomado okono bie no bie ha okba no bie ha de ije Sharon na miomano do mena listen my people, may listen to this video. Ayawewe, imyo iwolo ladia, ayawewe, iwolo ladia. Ifrance Akaba, zegie, tulemu, eti saga we tulemu. Yakari be yoto aswa we a musician. You be musician. Quick, your rule now. Nuka zegie beni yoto ado bege woke okbana memuna no wina. Omemuna no wina a musician omemuna no wina de ya ka doni pos de akedo gwalo mo be no ri ebe bai o salo ba de ba wa akedo gwalo mo be no ri ebe bai ake momo na influence zegie ladia nu dori ebe we ni nu ya jo ware u zege dori ebe ni o to wo wo no umana we o wo na ge sharon ti we mo we ni umana rule no we Kedero adina no ya guna osikbede ne no gbedi so you know fit come and say na me give this girl belle if they carry that baby a government na more money who wa social media o lie na ya now e be the girl na who ne ya gbela dian we o bueno if na do o vene the gbela dian na who o money go o bueno ge o help man is better government am mo na ne a problem no kwa who ga influence ukiba no be ti me at least ukiba whether good or bad no eti me 500,000 amawo rigoro no yakoke omo no do mo ni yinu e de agbohia kime a support no mo ni yategbe mu agbohia support o ko 20 euro mebe me ana be riaza me be de jona yakoko mo ni ne government ge mu Ifrance Akaba because anyway la jana wonya money wonya ko anyway la jana wonya ko influence ka kege adia gwala awaibo ma gbeye conversation awaibo was again la dia lezi better ni edo mo money o concern mebo cause no wu or wune mo money o bali mebo na influence zege la dia na no dori ebewe ba no ori ebe yo no wina ori ebewe no ya travel na de bi ati visa weni adori e bai era na kide ono gobedi o menwuna adera na wawe menwuna be Nigeria ori we bobo na rugbo ase die we elezi better influence iana momo na ekenga ma wawe say no comment iana momo na influence ekenga ma aswa we o eniwe la jana wo nyamo me na ya gbe meti yeti verify ya wu ato ya wu e na kita ya wu wa oje na ekita kwa gbara igbe redia ya mu koto se ya gba kan o wa du emirie ya gba we po we la de influence make sure say you do video data mo ke ba o se ge la dia na wo yan easy on no nyamo mo gba no yan easy no se o oh no yan easy no se e sharon oh no nyamo o samede aswa we yin ha no ba ke yan no nyamo influence better come out o elite better o job better come out now ni edo mo money e ta gbegbu already uhe no awuhe ne omo la re ne zege la denu dori ebe wa wesi bani comment zege la dia na dori ebe we ba e omo ori ebe ne mo ni ga mo money ne be wo iboke ije me ni je e ma buna mi omo ne ate mo ata we ne ro mo e no ya wo mo money amepe la wa ori omo igoro ero ogwere ku oguyeku iya ga do mo money be the government ri egbe la dia no ma zege la dia ne mo money influence no kwa o ka face ije gunia de ije sharo pa me na ije oni mi o adere we no be nya ko ni no be nya mu na gwa be gbe le be rio no hu okwe o ka akwe ka bi mi na o ma la se ge la dia wo mo na